In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete spam filter on Yahoo. If emails you expect are landing in the wrong place or not showing up at all, a mail filter might be the reason. Deleting that filter can restore your messages to the inbox. Let's walk through it clearly and carefully. First, open your web browser. In the address bar at the top, type yahoo.com and press enter. On the Yahoo homepage, look to the top right corner and find the sign in option. Click it, then follow the on-screen prompts to access your account. Depending on your security settings, you may be asked for verification. Give it a moment to complete, and once you're signed in, you're ready to move into Mail. From the top right area of the page, click Mail to open your Yahoo Mail inbox. Inside Yahoo Mail, find the settings icon, which looks like a small gear near the upper right. Click it, and a panel will slide open. At the bottom of that panel, select More Settings to open the full settings area. On the left-hand side, choose Filters. This page lists any custom filters you or someone with access to your account created. These rules can automatically move incoming messages to folders, including the spam folder, based on things like sender, subject, or keywords. To remove the one causing trouble, click the specific filter you want to remove to view its details and confirm it's the one affecting your mail flow. When you're sure, click Delete. If you see a confirmation prompt confirm the deletion, that's it. The filter is now gone and it will no longer redirect new emails. This doesn't delete any existing emails, it just stops the rule from running going forward. If some messages were previously moved by that filter, you can simply find them where they were filed, such as a folder or spam, and handle them as needed. A few tips to keep things smooth. Yahoo's built-in spam protection can't be turned off, but removing a custom filter that was misrouting messages often fixes missing mail issues. If you're unsure a filter is the culprit, you can edit it instead of deleting it to see what it was doing. After removing the filter, give your inbox a moment to refresh. You can also watch for new messages to confirm they arrive as expected. And a quick privacy reminder, keep your sign-in information private and avoid sharing codes or passwords. You've now deleted a spam-related filter in Yahoo Mail. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get your emails back where they belong.